How to find Telegram username. To get started, first of all open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Now, go to My Profile. Over here, you can view your profile photo, mobile number and username. You can also view your posts over here. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Scroll down and go to Username. You can see Edit and change your username from here. After that, tap on Done at the top. People will now be able to find you by this username and contact you without needing your phone number. Following these steps, you can easily find Telegram username. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.